Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Tinder account on Android. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Tinder app. Here it is, and this is the interface when you first download it. Let's log in with Google, and after that I'll choose my account. This is the one. And let's enter the phone number and let's hit continue, and let's wait for the code to arrive. And there's a code. Let's continue, and after that let's tap on the I agree, and let's change our name, and let's continue. Let's choose, and let's enter our birth date like this. You can see the birthday is in month, day, year format, and let's continue after entering the birth date. I'm a man, so this will be on you. I'm just a straight person, and let's continue. Okay, I'm a woman. Let's add it, and let's continue. And let's go with reading, astrology, photography, picnicking and blogging. Let's continue. You can choose any of those you like. Let's go, and let's add 2 photos. Okay, allow. Let's go with the gallery, and let's set to this one, and let's go with this one, and let's go next. And let's continue. Allow location, allow only while using the app, and let's continue. Now let's not block contacts right away, so let's back it up. And here's our Tinder, guys, and this is how you create your Tinder account on Tinder. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.